It's actually making waves. Oh man, you are blocked.
Residents in 6 Townsville suburbs have been told to leave due to expected dangerous and life-threatening flooding as the Ross River rises. The Townsville Local Disaster Management Group has advised people in Cludon, Hermit Park, Idalia, Ununba, Railway Estate, and Rossela to leave by 12 p.m. on Sunday. Residents are being warned some homes and buildings will be fully flooded, flooding to second-story floors is possible, and roads and bridges may be closed. An evacuation center has been set up at Heatley Secondary College at 321 Fulham Road, Heatley.
There's somebody's fridge on the sign. There's somebody else's cupboard or something coming down the creek. The current is
it's just started right through my gate and now it's going under the house.
A second evacuation center is at the Townsville Sports Precinct at 24 Burke Street at North Ward, with animals only accepted at this location. Hundreds of millimeters more rain is expected to fall in already drenched catchments, with warnings of life-threatening flash flooding from Cardwell south to the Beruption.